What's going on, everybody? In today's video we're working on a Tesla Model 3. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stick around. Keep in mind these videos aren't meant to be like a how-to or like give you tips on how to do it, more so just showing you what I do, and if you can pick up any tips on your own if you're a self-starter like I am, then these will be really valuable. Okay, I got the main piece on. I'm using STEK film. I got this kit cut, the computer software, it's called Computer Cut or something like that. So it's different than the Expel pattern. I've done that pattern as well. This one, you don't have to stretch it as much, but because you don't have to stretch it as much and hard, you get a lot of fingering right up in here. So you saw me work in this area quite a bit. Either a bulk install or the Expel software. You have to stretch it even more, and it gets rid of those fingers, so less chance to get like finger lines like right here, which thankfully this didn't get that. The kit otherwise fits normal. It's a normal coverage, 100% coverage, just like any other software. It's just cut differently, and so it installs differently. With that being said, stay tuned. I'm gonna do this lower, well, you can't see it in the frame, but I'm gonna kind of tidy up all the edges on this main piece, and then I'll show you the other bottom lid. with this. I hope this dog doesn't bark. There was a dog barking like non-stop. Yeah, so everything fit really good. I used the film STEK on here. It has a hydrophobic coating, 10-year warranty, you know, all the, you know, it's really good. And it's really shiny and it feels nice. And most importantly, it protects your paint, just like any other film. Anyways, let me show you the car. I'm all done with that job. Customer was really happy. Yeah, if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to post some more. Yeah, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for more content like this. Thank you. So yeah, the perfect setup is STEK film with dude, there's like, oh my gosh, delivery trucks. There's like been like 5 this past hour. It's crazy, and this dog won't stop. So anyways, I'll just film later.